Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here to my channel then, hey, what's up? It's your girl Ashley. I really hope you guys stick around and hit that subscribe button and rock with your girl. Trust me, you won't regret it. I got a lot of great content coming out and of course my fitness journey. So if you guys want to join along, definitely hit that subscribe button. It's just down below. It's free to click on. So I'ma wait till y'all click on it. Okay. And to all of my OG subscribers, y'all already know what it is. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with your girl. Okay, so it is Sunday. It is officially 1 week since I started my weight loss journey. I'm 7 days in and I'm feeling really good. I've stuck with my diet through the whole week and I'm happy that we've come to 1 week mark and I'm still here. I'm still hanging on. I'm still feeling really motivated. So I wanted to come in here and let you guys know how I'm going to be doing my weight loss / fitness videos. So every single Sunday, I'm going to have a fitness related video. So every Sunday, y'all better come click on LaydeeClarke's channel. That's me, and see the video that I posted for that day because it's all every Sunday is going to be a weight loss or fitness type videos. So every other Sunday is going to be my weigh-in video. I'm going to be weighing myself every 2 weeks because I find that when I used to weigh myself like every day or every 2 days or every 3 days, I'd be so disencouraged because the scale wasn't saying what I wanted it to say. So I decided it's better for me to just weigh myself twice a month. So I'm just going to weigh myself every other Sunday. So every other Sunday will be a weigh-in video. So next week is going to be my first weigh-in video and I'm really excited to see how much weight I've lost in 2 weeks. I low-key hope I've lost 10 pounds, but that might be a little unrealistic. So I'm hoping it's 5 pounds. My husband yesterday said he can already see a difference in me. So that's exciting. So yeah, next week is going to be my first weigh-in video. So make sure you guys stick around for that to see how much weight I've lost in 2 weeks. So yeah, every other Sunday is going to be a weigh-in video and then the alternating Sundays are going to be kind of like a check-in, how I did that week, what I did versus what I didn't like, if I kind of slacked off, if I'm very motivated, if I went hard, and I'll kind of let you guys know like what I've been eating. And if you guys have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. And I'll also be giving out shout outs to all of you guys who have met your like milestones or little mini goals and things like that. So yes, you guys can find a fitness related video on my channel every single Sunday. So since today is one of those Sundays where it's kind of just a check-in and let you guys know what I've been doing, I thought I would just let you guys know how my week has went so far. So this week has been going really well. I've been sticking to my diet plan. So I am on a 1,500 calorie intake, daily intake amount. Yeah, 500. So I eat 500 calories, 1,500 calories a day. And I've been using this app called MyFitnessPal. Pretty sure most of you guys have heard about MyFitnessPal. Everybody has talked about it. And it really is a great tool. So it is an app on your phone. And you pretty much just input how much weight you want to lose, if you're working out, if you're not working out, and it pretty much tells you how much calories you can consume to reach those particular fitness goals. So for myself, to lose the amount of weight that I want to lose and the amount of time that I want to lose it, I am on a 1,500 calorie intake for the day. So I used MyFitnessPal to kind of track or log the calories that I've consumed for the day. So pretty much how it works is that you put it has all the calories for like everything. Like it knows how much calories is in every single type of food. So say for example I had a Slim Fast meal replacement shake for lunch. I just pretty much just type in Slim Fast on the app and it gives me every single type of Slim Fast there is out there, and I just click on the one that I particularly had. So the one I had at 250 calories, so I just enter it in and it tells me how many calories I have left for the day. So it's a really great tool. I highly suggest you guys download it and use it. It's available for Android and iPhone, so I will leave a link down in the description box so you guys can download it. Something else that I have been doing is eating breakfast. Yes, I wake up and make breakfast. I never used to eat breakfast, you guys. I would just get up and go to work, eat around lunchtime, and then sometimes I wouldn't even always eat at lunchtime. Like sometimes I'd have a lunch, sometimes I didn't. But anyways, my first meal would usually be around lunchtime, if not dinner time. but now I'm actually eating breakfast. Okay, and it's kind of weird for me because I usually don't have an appetite in the morning, but as soon as I wake up in the morning, I drink a bottle of water, a whole bottle of water in the morning. I'll make my breakfast. I usually just have 2 eggs, scrambled style, and I'll have a yogurt, and then I take my multivitamin. I'm taking a multivitamin as well because I've heard that it's really good to take a multivitamin. The multivitamin that I'm taking is called 1 tablet daily. It's the Walmart version of one a day's tablets, and mine is the Weight Smart one because it has green tea extract in it. So I've been taking that every single day. So yeah, I got that from Walmart. So in the morning, I'll wake up, drink my bottle of water, make my 2 eggs, have my yogurt, take my pill, and then I'm off to work. So I've been having breakfast. It's been going good. I'm not a morning person, so yes, it's hard to wake up extra early to make breakfast, but I know that it's worth it. So something else that I'm going to be trying as of today is meal prepping. I know all of y'all know about meal prepping. A lot of you guys have suggested I do meal prepping. So I took it upon myself to go to Walmart and buy myself a 36-piece container set. So this set was $10 at Walmart. It comes with a whole bunch of different size containers, as you guys can see. So I'm going to be using this to do my meal prepping this week because I'm going to be honest with you guys. By the time I get home from work, I work 10-hour shifts. By the time I get home from work, I'm really tired. I really don't want to have to get in front of the stove and cook. So what I've been doing for this past week is I've been buying rotisserie chickens from Walmart. Walmart sells like a whole chicken for 2 for $15. So I buy 2 of them and I pretty much just have some of the chicken and some corn on the side. And that's kind of been my dinner all week, chicken and corn. I'm not much of a greens person. I don't really like greens, you guys. I'm not a green vegetable person. So I try to get corn in as my vegetable serving. So I've been having a lot of chicken and corn, which is really, really good. So yeah, but today I'm going to be cooking my chicken and I'm going to be using this container here. This container holds 669 mils. So it's this size container. As you guys can see, I'm trying to give you guys kind of like how big it is. It's almost the size of my hand. It's a standard size like sandwich container. So I'm going to be using this to put my chicken in so that when I come home in the evenings, all I have to do is find a side. So I might have some corn as I usually do. I do have a bag of frozen vegetables, so maybe I'll just steam some of those. Maybe I'll have a potato and stuff like that. So if you guys have really good recipes or dinner ideas, let me know because I need some, because all a girl been eating is chicken and corn and it's getting a little boring. But yeah, if you guys have some really good recipes that are easy to make, then definitely let me know. But yeah, I'm going to be meal prepping as of this week, so I'm excited to see how that goes. So in terms of my workouts that I've been doing this week, I've been doing just cardio videos. I've done different types of videos this week. I did mention in my previous video, if you haven't watched it, make sure you do. I will link it up in the card section and it'll be down below in the description box. But yeah, the gym that I am enrolled in, I'm enrolled at Good Life. They're making a new one up the street from my house, but it hasn't opened yet. They were supposed to open January 6th. And now the date has been pushed till February 6th. So for a month, I'm going to be doing at-home workouts. So I've done a Jillian Michaels video. Let me just say she's really tough. Okay, her videos have a girl dead. Like after the warm-up, I'm like, I'm tired after the warm-up. So yeah, her videos are really, really good. I've done Zumba. I started Zumba, which is really, really fun. So I did order a 5-piece DVD Zumba set from Amazon. I will leave a link to it down below in the description box. But yes, Zumba is a lot of fun. It's hard. It's actually hard. I don't know why I thought Zumba was going to be a breeze. Like, I'm just going to do some salsa moves and I'm going to lose this weight just winding up. And no, okay, Zumba is hard, y'all. Anybody who can do Zumba or those style dances, salsa, reggaeton, all this, y'all good, because that stuff is hard, okay? And they be making it look really easy. But it is a lot of fun, and it definitely gets your heart rate up. So I've been enjoying that. I've also done Taibo. Everybody knows Taibo with Billy Blanks. That's been around for years. I've been doing Taibo for years, so I do those as well. And I also use YouTube as well. YouTube has a ton of workout videos on their website, so definitely check out YouTube. Just type in cardio workout or at home workout and a whole bunch of results will come up. The one I did yesterday, if you search cardio workout on YouTube, it's literally the first one that pops up. That one killed me yesterday. My thighs are burning me so bad and my lower back, but no pain, no gain. So I know that burn means I'm doing something good. So yeah, as soon as the gym opens, I'll be able to go to the gym and do my weight training. I love weight training, guys. I love weight training. So I'm really excited to get into the weight training so I can tone and get these muscles good, because more muscle means you burn more calories. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for me and how my first week has went. It's been going good so far. I still feel very, very motivated and excited about my weight loss journey. And like I said, my husband already says he sees a difference in me. So I'm really excited to get on that scale next Sunday and see how much weight I've lost. So make sure you guys tune in next Sunday. Make sure you guys subscribe and make sure you guys click the bell so you guys get the notification sent directly to your phone that I have a new upload, because it's going to be my first weigh-in video. So to all of my new followers and subscribers and supporters, thank you guys so much. Be sure to let me know how your weight loss journeys is going so you guys can get a shout out in my video. I'm finna shout you guys out. If you guys have, you know, reached a milestone or a goal, I'm definitely going to be shouting you guys out to keep you guys motivated. So yeah, and if you guys have any tips and tricks or anything, definitely let me know how it goes. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to check the description box for the Zumba set. And oh, one more thing before I forget. If any of you guys know an affordable fitness watch, y'all know those watches that count your calories and tell you how many steps you've made and all those stuff. I know there's a Polar one, but those ones are kind of expensive. Ain't nobody trying to pay $100 for a watch. So if you guys have any suggestions for some good fitness watches, please link them down below or let me know where I can find some, because I really want one just so I can count my calories throughout the day, and then of course during my workouts at home, just so I know how many, you know, calories I'm losing versus calories that I'm taking in. So yeah, if you guys know of any really good fitness watches, please let a girl know. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week Sunday. Bye.